I made over $5,000 in profit flipping this 2020 INFINITI Q50. This was by far one of the easiest and one of my favorite flips I've recently done. I paid only $5,000 after fees, and the car drove right off the trailer when it was delivered. It was involved in a minor accident to the passenger side and no airbags deployed. This is a perfect case study of how you can get these extremely profitable cars on the auction for pennies on the dollar. Enjoy. All right, I just came in. 2020 INFINITI Q50. They're just getting it right now. It's all-wheel drive. Let's see what parts we got. Okay, I think we got some parts in here we can reuse, so we'll see. Here's the damage, what's looking like. Front end, all that fixed, and we'll see. All right, I just checked both seatbelts and they're both good. No seatbelts locked up, so we're all good. All right, I just got the car off the trailer. Turned on good. No issues that I see as of right now. So it's gonna be a new fender probably, fix this door, new headlight, and a new front bumper. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get this to the back and we'll see. And like I always teach y'all, you wanna buy from insurance companies. Don't mess up. You gotta buy insurance companies to the best of your ability. And I see some of y'all asking, how do you make sure it's an insurance company? Because Cobart doesn't show. Hey, that's classified knowledge. That is classified information. If I give that game out, you know, it might be wraps. So for that, you gotta buy the course, no cap. Or get me on a call and I can show you how to make sure it's an insurance company selling the car. And then we can see what parts we have inside the car and see what we need to buy. So here we go. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Let's see what parts we have that are savable and we'll see what we need to buy. Okay, so it's the front bumper. Okay, we can reuse the emblem. So we can reuse all this. Fog light trims, fog light, turn signal. Same with the other side, I think. I'm just missing one turn signal, so maybe just buy one turn signal. This is a door panel for the door. Definitely reuse that. Here's the turn signal, so all good. We have the mirror. Awesome. Headlight. Usually I try to fix these because these are expensive, but yeah, I think this one's fixable. Well, I mean, it is, to be honest. I'll probably just buy a new headlight because usually you can just buy a new lens and swap this out, but it's all good. I might just buy a new headlight, and that's all we have in here. So I have to buy a fender, a front bumper, upper and lower grille, and a headlight. And that's it. I'm gonna go buy the parts, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, I'll first drive in the new INFINITI. Run and drive's good. I bought this car for like $5,000. Actually, when I get to the inspection spot, that's what I'm going to right now. I'll show you guys the receipt that I brought with me, show you guys how much I bought the car for. And you know, I got it for a steal. I think I got it for like $5,000 after fees. So I think I was the winning bidder, like $4,000. And you know, this is a 2020 with only 71,000 miles and the car should sell for like $14,000. So going to the inspection spot right now, do the pre-inspection, and we'll take it back to the shop and I'll show you guys all the numbers. So let's get to it. But yeah, it runs and drives super smooth. The warning lights is just for the door. This door doesn't close all the way, so figure that out. And then the tire light is on, and then the sensor for the radar is on because it's not plugged in. But yeah, other than that, drives pretty smooth. Engine sounds good, transmission's fine. So here we go. All right, we're pulling up to DMV real quick. I'm gonna show you guys the sale price. $4,200 after fees. $49.88. All right, y'all. We are at APO, Auto Parts Outlet. We got the fender, we got the front bumper. Now we're just gonna take these to the shop. All right, and here's the prices for what it costed. The front bumper was $279, and the fender was 96 bucks. So there we go. Auto Parts Outlet, they have really good prices. If y'all looking for parts, check out Auto Parts Outlet. They are valid.
1 week later.
All right, this INFINITI is basically almost ready. All that's left with this car is to go wash it and take pictures and post it. And that's it. Everything else is done. We did the state inspection right there. And we also did the DMV inspection. Take pictures and then post the car, and that's it. The car will be ready for sale. And as always, I'm gonna run the numbers with you guys at the end of the video to show you guys how much everything costed and how much money we make. Remember, the front was completely hit. And of course, I always do the black grille. I think the black grille looks better. Let me know what you guys think. And to the car wash we go. All right, y'all, we're going through a car wash right now, as you can see. So we'll wash this car up and we'll go take the pictures. All right, y'all, here's what it's looking like. So boom. Now I'm gonna vacuum the inside and wipe it down. See, it's dirty. So we'll clean all this out and that's it. We'll go take the pictures after. All right, we just wiped down the INFINITI engine bay. So I wish I showed y'all that before, but I completely forgot. But let's wipe down, it's a quick wipe down, nothing crazy. Customers coming today, so hopefully they buy. But boom, we'll close that. And that's done. This car is completely done. All the inspections are done, cleaned, washed. Everything's done with this car. All right, y'all, somebody came and put a deposit on the car. I mean, this car was beautiful, guys. This car is clean. The paint came out great. The interior is super clean. I mean, this car was awesome. So, customer came, he put a deposit down for $200. So yeah, he said he's coming Monday for $12,500. So I'll run the numbers with you guys, show you guys how much we made and all that, how much we spent and how much money we made, and the return on investment. That will be all in the next clip. All right, y'all, the Infinity sold. $12,700 sold. Deal is done. And I'm gonna run the numbers with you guys. As always, transparent with everything I do. Show you guys how much I bought the car for, how much I spent to fix it, and how much I sold it for. And in the end, I'll show you the profit and the return on investment. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, it's time to run the numbers as we always do at the end of our flips. I'm gonna show you how much we bought the car for, how much we spent to fix it, how much we sold the car for, how much profit we made, and the return on investment, and how long the flip took. So let's get right to it. So as you can see right here, it's the 2020 Infiniti Q50. Here's what the car looked like from the auction pictures. And I won the car after fees for $5,058. After the fees and everything, $5,058. It was $700 to transport it from Boston, Massachusetts, North Boston, down to me was $700. $600 in labor to the body guy. $402.19 for the bumper and the fender. $315 to a dealer, no longer paying that fee, by the way. $193.45 for the headlight and the fender liner. Got those from eBay. $25 inspection, $21.39 for the tow hood cover. It's a little bumper tow hood cover that goes in the front, make it look clean and presentable. And then $18.18 for a sensor that goes in the grill in front of the car, which gives us a grand total of $7,333.21. And we sold the car for $12,700, which gives us a total profit of $5,366 and a 73% return on our investment. This was an amazing flip, especially because it was done under a month. I bought the car August 14th and I sold it September 12th. So less than a month from buying the car, the day I bought it, to the day I sold it, less than a month. And $5,000 in profit, which is a really good flip. So there you go. If you guys want to learn how to flip cars like this, make sure to subscribe, watch the rest of the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.